Hello, it's Glamstract here. Another video, another foundation review. And today's foundation is the CC Cream by Chanel. The usual foundation shade that I pick for my Chanel foundations is 20 Beige. This is what the foundation slash CC Cream looks like outside of its box. As you can see, it's pretty small, kind of, but it does give you the usual amount of product that you get in a standard foundation. Is 30 ml, 1 fluid ounce. And this has SPF 50, so it's a quite high SPF in it, which is pretty good for your skin. And of course, we know that CC Cream stands for color correcting and complete correction, super active face care. So yeah, this is sort of like skincare, face protection sort of foundation. So I wouldn't expect a super high coverage from this foundation, but still like a very light everyday sort of foundation. I know some people like to use this foundation as a base before they actually apply their foundations because of its very high SPF and also because it's a very nice base to start your foundation application with. And let's skip right through the makeup application. Giving a shake. Before I start this, I do want to say that I've used my usual skincare, the Origins, the Mega Mushroom line, and also prepped and primed my skin with the Vitamin Rich Face Base by Bobbi Brown. I have used this foundation before, and that's why now I'm here for you to review it. It is a quite thick consistency, it's not very runny on the hand. It does have a very faded scent, so it's very much like very Chanel, fresh, clean sort of smell, which is not bothering me at all. I feel like this would be a great summer sort of foundation because of its SPF in it mainly, but also because it gives it like a very nice, lightweight, very light, at the same time hydrating kind of coverage, which is very pleasant to the skin. And I can see this being a beautiful, like going to the seaside. Now it doesn't claim to be waterproof, so it's not waterproof, unless it is. I haven't tried it in water, but yeah, I think it's a very pretty foundation for like the seaside, whenever we'll get to see the seaside again with this damn coronavirus. But anyway, as you can see, it's a very, as I said, very light application. Beautiful luminous feeling to the skin, and it feels really hydrating, really lightweight. Typical Chanel foundation. You can't go wrong. If you like that very lightweight, very sheer coverage foundation, then you're gonna love this sort of CC Cream. As you can see on this side, I'm a little bit more problematic than this side over here. I got these two mean, obsessive spots, which I've had them now for a while, which is so annoying. But it does a pretty decent job covering them. It's not covering them as much as I want them to, but it's definitely getting rid of the excessive redness. But at the end of the day, this is a color correcting foundation. So in a way, I was expecting to get rid of any sort of discoloration of my skin and kind of unify the whole colors all over my skin. Last time I applied this foundation, I did apply with my finger, but now I've decided to use a brush because, I don't know, I didn't really enjoy the application with my fingers of this particular CC Cream. Because I thought, you know, CC Cream, tinted moisturizers, I do like to use my fingers because they feel more natural, more lightweight. But I am preferring the application with the actual brush with this CC Cream. So I don't know how the application would be with a sponge. I mean, it'll probably be pretty nice, but I'm presuming that because this is quite a sheer coverage, the sponge might soak up a bit too much product and you might end up squeezing too much and wasting too much product. So maybe I would suggest to use either your finger or a foundation brush so you get the most of the foundation without wasting any product, if you know what I mean. But it is I think it will be fine in any way you apply it, to be honest. You do you. You know, whatever you feel most comfortable with. Here we go. So this is the foundation applied in the skin. Beautiful, lightweight, sheer coverage, luminous, pretty, very pretty. I'm happy with this foundation. It's one of those sort of foundation that I could see myself reaching it for those hot summer days. I don't like summer. I like winter. I'm not looking forward to sweat. Sorry, that sounded a little bitchy. I didn't mean to be bitchy. Okay, let's move on to the rest of my face. So what I'll do, I'll quickly go off camera, do a little bit of concealer, powder, just the usual, and I'll be back to give you my final thoughts. And I'm back. Here I am. So as you can see, I've done the rest of my face, this time literally, not as usual. I've bronzed, blushed, highlighter. This time I also wanted to do a little bit of eyes because I was feeling it today. I said, you know, I'm gonna do some eyes as well, why not? And for my eyes, if you're wondering, I've used the gorgeous Ofra Glitch 2000 eyeshadow palette. Is a beautiful eyeshadow palette. The color that I've used are this, oh my god, they're so bright. So I've used basically this row down here, like going diagonally this way, and also to highlight my brow bone and my inner corner, I used the top shade over here. The names are Corndroy, Posh, Razor, and Bling. These are the colors that I've used. If you follow me on my Instagram, I'm going more into details in what I've used on my face, so follow me there if you want. Okay, but back to what we are here for. So, I like it. It's a beautiful foundation, CC cream, however you want to call it. Is a beautiful, wow, very natural, very glowy, very hydrating. It feels really nice on the skin. It doesn't feel like you got anything on the skin. But I do have to say, for people that have combo to oily skin, this foundation gets the oils out. Not the foundation, but your oils will start to get through throughout the day. So you get that, you know, setting powder ready and pat it every now and then, because it does, I have to say, unfortunately, your oils come through and can be very annoying. I myself have a normal to combination skin, so I do suffer sometimes of some oily moments, especially on my nose, and sometimes a little bit on the top of my forehead over here. But for the rest, I do like this foundation a lot, and there's honestly nothing else to add. If you're thinking to purchasing this foundation, I hope you find this video helpful in a way to say, okay, I'm going ahead, I'm getting it. It's really nice. But yeah, and we are towards the end of this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, also give it a thumbs up as well, because why not? Let's spread the love. And while you're here on my YouTube channel, why don't you just subscribe? Is the red button down here. And also follow me on my social media. You can find me everywhere, but mainly on Instagram at Glamstract. And what else can I say? Thank you very much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Bye.